Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve autoclose on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve autoclose on Instagram app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to Instagram app and you can click here in this page. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.